Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP together in a same formula. So let's start. Friends, as you can see in my screen, I have some columns like employee name, department, contact number, age, email, monthly salary and city. So how can we use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP together? So let's see. First of all friends, what will I do? I will create one more row in between my input data and my column name. So let's see how can we do this. Just select the cell, click insert and this will come. Now what will I do? I will just type numbers here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, with the help of these numbers, I will use HLOOKUP in VLOOKUP formula. As you know, VLOOKUP is used for vertical search and HLOOKUP is used for horizontal search. So, first of all, we will use VLOOKUP and in the VLOOKUP, we will use HLOOKUP. Then, see how can we do this. So, first friend, uh, in the bottom of this table I have created a column. One is name and another is email. You can use any type of name like department, contact number, age, email, monthly salary or city, anything. So here I will use my name, whatever I have like Rahul, Pankaj, Deepak and till Suraj, and here we will provide what type of horizontal data we want to search. So let's see how can we do this. Just select the cell, press equals to and write VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Here first parameter is lookup value. So my name is lookup value, comma, table array. So table array is my entire input data, comma. In a place of column index number, what will we do? We will use VLOOKUP. So how can we do this? Just write we will use HLOOKUP, sorry. So HLOOKUP, and in HLOOKUP parameters, lookup value is whatever data we will insert here. So we will select that cell, comma, table array. In table array we will use this two rows, comma, row index number I will select 2 because in VLOOKUP I already selected my name, that is column index number 1. So here I will use 2. 2 is for department or anything you can select, comma, for exact batch I will use 0. I will close the comma, again I will use comma, and for VLOOKUP I will use I want exact match, so I will use 0, and now we will close the comma and press enter. Here it is showing NA because in name field I didn't select anything, so I will write Rahul here, RAHUL, and press enter. Now you can see when I write Rahul, according to my horizontal search, it is showing email, that is my Rahul email here. Now what will I do? I will change email to age. So I will write age and press enter. The age of Rahul is 28. Similarly, what will I do? I will write city here. So Rahul is in Pune city. Friends, now one more thing we can do it. Typing is very much hectic. So what will I do? I will use drop down values here and here. So here already I have provided. So you can select any of the data like contact name. Here no drop down value. So we will create a drop down by selecting data. Go to data validation. Select list. In source I will use my all employee names and click OK. Now if I will select Deepak, according to Deepak and contact name, contact number, Here in Deepak, contact number is 7654321098. Same. Now what will I do? I will select as Deepak age. So according to table, Deepak age is 38, and here Deepak age is 38. Now I will select like email ID. So it is Deepak at testmail. Similarly, if you want to select department, so Deepak in sales department. So friends, this is the way you can use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP together in a same table in a same formula. So friends, if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon for notification of a new video. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.